guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing you the first episode of a series that I'm currently working on. It is basically a series of how to start digital journaling. If you can see me glancing to my left or right, it's because I'm looking at my cheat sheet. So I'm really sorry about that, but I really need that cheat sheet. So anyways, this episode or this series is basically about how to start digital journaling. But first things first, I want to share with you guys how I start digital journaling in the first place. So what made me start the digital journal was I was having a Save Mother Earth vibes a few years ago when I started digital journaling. I still do. I still care for Mother Nature. So yeah, I thought that I would be saving. I'll be using less paper and I'll be saving more money because I won't be buying too much stationery items. Well, that didn't last very long. I know. Hence my plenty of stationery vlogs in this channel. But yeah. So for this episode, I'm going to share with you guys some content creators that I live for. They are creators who give out digital stickers, templates, notebooks, journals, and so much more. Some of them are free, but some of them sell or have a small stationery stores that they sell for a very reasonable amount. So yeah, I just thought of sharing this with you guys since I feel like this would be helpful because unlike what I did, I jumped into digital journaling not knowing where I'll be able to get this notebook, what app I'll be using, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I hope that this is really helpful to a lot of you guys and that the tips that I'll be sharing for this video or this series would be really helpful to a lot of you starting your digital journey. So yeah, just keep on watching and I hope you guys enjoy this video and you'll find a lot of useful tips into it. Hello again, now from VoiceOver Yuna. I know I mentioned earlier that I will be sharing different content creators, but of course I have to give myself a shout out first. I did an announcement on a previous video about starting an online store. I'm already at the works with my 2021 digital journal, so if you want to get a hold on that, link to my Instagram store will be in the description box below. But to be honest, I'm actually in a dilemma. Right now, I'm trying to decide whether or not to open another account just for the store or just keep on using this account. So if you have any thoughts or suggestions about that, please leave it in the comment section down below. Also, I just want to put it out there that I am still giving away free sticker sheets or templates here and there on my YouTube channel. So just stick around, subscribe, and see what will come in the future. Now, first on my list is someone that I've already worked with, which is the Boss Personal Planner. Boss Planner is a business who promotes productivity, and their journals surely will help you with all your goals and plans for the future. Also, I did a video review with their digital planner on a previous video. Link to that video is in the cards at the upper right. And also, I want to mention that I do have a promo code which will give you guys discounts on all your purchases. Next on my list is 𝙗𝙤𝙘𝙞𝙖𝙡 Designs. 𝙗𝙤𝙘𝙘𝙖𝙡 is an online seller who creates journals and sticker sheets. She recently got in touch with me and gave me her watercolor inspired sticker sheets, which what I'll be showing you guys in a bit. This is an example of the sticker sheet that she shared with me recently. She has way more options on her account for sure, so her links will be in the description box down below. Next, and someone I consider as a friend, which is Neptune or Nep_UNE. Neptune creates aesthetic daily vlogs on her YouTube channel, but she also sells aesthetic Korean style stickers. I actually did a video on this on my channel. I'll be leaving the link to that in the cards at the upper right again. And yeah, this is the example of the sticker sheets that she's selling. And yeah, please do check her account. Now, the following content creators that I'll be mentioning next will be the ones that are giving away free templates and stickers for free on their channels. Just show them your love, your support, and yeah. Now, to start it off, first on my list is Pink Petal Journals on Instagram. She gives out free aesthetic journals, stickers, and templates on her Instagram account, which I feel like is the total absolute jackpot. The templates that she creates are absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like it will be super helpful to a lot of people that are still starting with digital journaling. She actually sent me these templates that I'm already using for my small businesses. So yeah, these are really helpful. And if you ask her for a template, she just doesn't give you one design. It has different colors for you to choose from. It kind of reminds me of the Korean YouTuber who creates digital journaling as well. So yeah, I really like the aesthetics of the templates that she creates. Next is a fellow YouTuber. Her handle is the Untitled Journal. Her IG account is purely aesthetic and fun. On her account, she gives away sticker sheets that are just too adorable to resist. So if you're creating this kind of vibe or aesthetic on your journals, please do check her account. I'll be showing you guys an example of the sticker sheet that she sent me in just a while. Next is Omiya Studio. The stickers that she creates are absolutely gorgeous, but not just that, she also creates different templates and wallpapers on her blog. So again, if this is your aesthetic, you don't have an Instagram account, which most of you doesn't really have one, Facebook is another platform where you can reach out to fellow digital creators. So yeah, this is an example of what you'll get when you join her page. So make sure to check her out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for all the accounts or content creatives that I want to share with you guys. I hope this will be very helpful to everyone who is planning to start digital journaling. Please do share your love and support to our fellow creatives. I know all of us here are just growing in our own pace. So yeah, let's all do our part on giving a helping hand to everyone. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video again. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Also, I just got my community tab, so please do stay tuned on future announcement over there. Also, stay tuned for more episodes about this series, and please do leave a comment down below on what other video ideas you want me to do or to focus on for this series. Thank you guys for watching. I love each and every one of you. Share your kindness, share your love. Virtual hugs and kisses. Bye!